Hi guys, so let me just quickly start. So if you have a PyTest and you're running your test and you want to generate some quick and responsive, test report. So Allure is the framework, test report generation framework you can use. So let me just show you how quickly you can use Allure to generate the test reports. So I have a demo project. Uh, and you can see this demo project. So here's some to test class and test is written. So if we just quickly run this here without allure first. So yeah, the tests are running. You can see 3 tests failed and 3 tests passed. Now if you run, if you want to generate the report with the same test and without doing any code change, so you need two things. First is the allure package. So you can install it from here. As you can see, I have already installed allure pytest. So when you install allure pytest, this one more package will automatically get installed. So yeah, that's one thing. And the second thing is you need to have allure on your system. So if you are on macOS, you can just write brew install and allure. So you can install allure as I have already installed. So if you can see this, yeah, so I have it already installed. So we have run this test like this. Now we'll use allure. So we just need a slight modification here. We have to pass one parameter, and that is allure dir. This is double L allure dir, and I already have a directory here, report allure. We just give the location, so all the tests run and the whatever allure needs, it will be inside report allure directory. So let's just run it. Yeah, so we have run it, and if we see the directory was empty earlier, but now we see, yeah, there's something. Yeah, there are some JSON files are there, which we might discuss it in some other videos, but yeah. So now if you want to see the report, so just do allure serve and just give the directory, and yeah. Okay, sorry guys, my mistake. It's not serve. Yeah, see the magic. It will create a web server and it will host your report there. Yeah, so here you see, right? It has listed your alert report. 3 tests is passed, 3 tests have failed, 3 tests have passed. And if you see show all, or if you see the suits, so test demo 1, test demo 2. So this is passed because it has given parameter. We have given 8. 8 is greater than 5. And if you see here, it has failed. Why? Because the given number is less than 5. And you can see the details here. If you click, where is the assertion have failed? So it gives you all the details here, and it also gives you a graph, how many tests have failed and passed. And the most important thing is duration. It gives you the duration that the test cases you're running, so how much time they are taking. So that's it for now guys, and I will be keep posting videos, so stay connected and do comment some topics on which you want me to create some videos. Thanks.